Dumpster rental service in Virginia Beach, Virginia. For top-tier dumpster rental services in Virginia Beach, Virginia, Junk Crushers LLC is your go-to provider. Whether you're decluttering your home, managing a renovation, or handling a construction project, we have the perfect dumpster to meet your needs. With a range of sizes, we can accommodate projects of all types and sizes, providing convenient, reliable solutions to make your cleanup stress-free. At Junk Crushers LLC, we prioritize efficiency and convenience for our clients. Our team ensures prompt delivery and pickup, placing the dumpster exactly where it's most accessible to your worksite. Our dumpsters are maintained to the highest standards, so you'll always receive a clean, functional container for your project. We're also committed to responsible waste disposal. We take care to recycle and dispose of waste in environmentally friendly ways, helping reduce landfill waste and support the Virginia Beach community. Our flexible rental terms allow you to choose the schedule that best suits your timeline. For dumpster rentals that combine convenience, reliability, and affordability, call Junk Crushers LLC at 757-305-7504. Let us make waste removal the easiest part of your project, so you can stay focused on what matters.